Hi! Happy New Year! It's 2021, so let's go back to regular programming. Today's video is going to be about how to start an educational YouTube channel in 2021. So if you are an educator, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, then this video is for you. But before we begin, if you like that kind of content, then please consider subscribing by clicking the red subscribe button below, then you're in. Now, if there's one thing that you've learned or noticed in the past year, it's that everybody turned online to stay informed, educated, entertained, and most importantly, to earn extra income or survive in business. So if you want to teach on YouTube, build authority or your personal brand and presence, and monetize your expertise in the future, then today more than ever is the best time to start on YouTube. Now let me show you a no BS process to start. The first one is setting your intention and goals. You really have to like it so much that you want to succeed on YouTube. Your big why and your strong intention is going to set the direction you want to follow as you go through your YouTube journey. And it's not only about your income goal, it also has to be about your personal goal and your overall goal that relates to your lifestyle. And without doing this first, you'll end up just wasting your time creating videos or pumping out content online without knowing exactly where you want to go or what path you want to take. So again, make sure that you set your intention first and your goals before you actually put out so many videos on your YouTube channel. The second one is find your focus and stick with it for the first several videos or the first few months of your YouTube channel, including your channel name. If there's a mistake I made in the past when I was starting to create my own platforms, it's that I did not pay attention to whatever niche I wanted to focus on and what type of audience I wanted to reach. I just created a bunch of content without really thinking of who I was speaking to. So in the end, I was able to create a bunch of different platforms, but they did not really grow as much as I wanted them to because I did not know who my target audience was. So if you want to start a YouTube channel this 2021, make sure you nail your niche and know exactly who you want to reach. I know that you're multi-talented and you have a lot of things in mind, but at least in the beginning stage of your journey, think of the group of people you really want to help. And this will be very beneficial because you don't have to chase your audience anymore. Instead, they will come find you because they know that this is the one thing that you talk about online. The thing is that before you can actually build your authority online and monetize your expertise, you have to start a YouTube channel. So right now, if you're watching this video and you're still starting, you don't have a YouTube channel, or maybe you already have a YouTube channel but it does not have any direction, then good that you're watching this video, because I have a free guide wherein I would walk you through the 3-step method that I use to launch and supercharge an educational YouTube channel in 90 days. So this is the same method that I've used in my main channel. All of the links are in the description below. Whether you are launching or relaunching, this is going to be very helpful because I've also outlined the mistakes that I've made in the past and all the other lessons that I've learned in my journey as a YouTube edu-creator. The third thing is innovate, but you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Do your own research, competition analysis, optimization of your videos. Do the necessary stuff, but never ever copy other people's videos and just upload them on your own. And yes, it's true because I've seen so many videos that were just copied and then uploaded to other YouTube channels, and then those people actually monetize those channels as well. even though those videos are not their own work. And there are even YouTube channels dedicated to helping people how to grow on YouTube without creating their own videos or just using other people's videos. I mean, why would you do that? Why won't you just want to create your own YouTube channel, build your own authority based on your own hard work? So you never have to leech off other people's hard work and just actually, work on your own and create your own videos, right? Research if your topic is viable. If people are talking about it and if people have already made some sort of content or blog post before, then that means that there's a demand for that type of topic. But again, don't deliberately copy those types of content. You have to innovate and add a unique touch to that particular content to make it your own. Number 4 is plan your 1 month content. And why 1 month? That's because you are most likely going to forget creating videos, or will be lazy creating videos if you just create 1 video when you're starting. I mean, it's okay to start with, let's say, I just want to start creating 1 video to see if I like it. I know some of you will just say, I just want to try 1 video and see how it works. Well, the truth is that you will not know how YouTube works and how everything works if you just post 1 video. If you just post 1 video and tell yourself that, okay, I'll wait if there will be views or there will be subscribers. No, that's not going to work like that. The views and subscribers will not come with just 1 video. You'll have to create a series of videos. If you just want to make it a hobby channel, then okay, by all means, just post 1 video. But if you really want to build your authority and monetize your expertise on YouTube, you have to really, really want it and commit to creating videos. And I'd say what works for me is once a week, but I was able to try twice a week before. Sometimes when I really want to take it to the next level, I would post twice a week. But in the beginning of your journey, I suggest you start with 1 video a week. So if you create a 1 month plan, then that means 4 videos so that you can publish 1 video per week for the next month. Then after 1 month, you plan another month of videos, then publish, and then so on. And then do it until you finish the end of the year. So this includes your research for your title, your topics, scheduling your content, planning your distribution, planning your social media strategy or how you'd want to promote your content, everything that you need to do first so that your content will be seen and noticed by people. So sit down for a few hours in 1 day, plan your content, and do everything at once. Granted that you have already cleared up your schedule, you have 1 full day to do content planning, it is definitely doable. Number 5, go ahead and press record. You don't have to obsess about whatever camera you'll need to use. Good audio quality and natural lighting will suffice at this point. Because if you keep on thinking about what type of camera you should use, and you're not even thinking about how you can improve your content value, your content quality, then you'll not be able to really make the most of your YouTube channel and build your authority. The camera is the last thing that you'd have to think about. And as long as you have a decent video quality, which your smartphone camera can do, then you should be good. Shoot horizontally or in landscape mode. Shoot during the day so that there's natural lighting. But if you can't do that, just a regular room lighting will do. But make sure that your audio quality is really good, that you can be heard by your viewers. If you need to, be closer to the camera or purchase an inexpensive lapel mic so that it helps improve your audio quality. Sometimes, though, you may sound like you're shouting, but well, you can practice that as you go along with your journey. When I was still using my smartphone, I did not have any microphone at all, which is why I had to make my voice a little bit louder so that my viewers would hear me. And then once I had the resource and the means, I got an external mic. Again, I talk about all this in my free guide to launching and supercharging your educational YouTube channel in 90 days. So just go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Everything will be outlined for you. Now, in my next video, I'm going to walk you through how I managed to quit my full-time job to focus on anything related to YouTube. So if you're interested, then make sure that you click the subscribe button below or tap the bell for notifications so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.